Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a monthly reset as I get ready to reset for the month of July. I woke up on this lovely Monday morning, getting myself together to get ready to do everything that I need to do in order to prepare for the new month that is coming up ahead. So the one thing that I wanted to do was first to get up and fix myself some breakfast. So I did get up and fix myself some eggs along with some toast. And if you're anything like me, you like to put milk in your eggs just to give it a little fluff. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you guys consider subscribing and hitting the subscribe button down below, as well as giving this video a thumbs up. That would help me out a lot. In today's video, I'm going to be resetting for the month of July. So I'm going to be getting everything done from laundry, dishes, tidying up in the living room, cleaning up the bathroom, getting clothes put away, and things like that. I also will be planning and just doing a couple other things around the house. So stay tuned to see what my monthly reset is like. After enjoying my breakfast, I sat down with my new to-do planner that I recently bought off of Amazon, and we'll have it linked in my description box down below. This is a great to-do planner that allows you to put your name, phone number, and email address in the front, along with different pages of the same plan for each day. Whether you want to put the date, you can put whatever day it is of the week, and then also what you're grateful for, your to-do list, and your must get done today, and some notes and stuff in the box, as well as what your water intake is, your health and fitness, what you ate for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and if you have any appointments. So the one thing that I went ahead and did was just sat down, filled it out, put the date, and it is a Monday, so I did Cirkul Monday, and I am grateful for being alive, because I know that I take life for granted, and I try to not do that and just be grateful that I am alive and well. So some of the things on my to-do list are to get Skylar's laundry done, some dishes, and to tidy up the living room and to clean the bathroom. I also want to make it a must get done for today is to do video planning for July. So in my notes and stuff, I did put that I need to make the address book for my grandfather since we did the family reunion. So I wanted to get started with getting Skylar's laundry put into the washer. I do use all on her clothes, whether it's this one or just the regular plain one. These were on sale one day for about $3.75 at Food Lion, so I grabbed all of the ones that I could, as I just like to keep some type of scent to her clothes, but I also have to respect that she has sensitive skin. So meanwhile, while I got that started, I just wanted to come back and check off my list that I did get that started. I next sat down to try and do some video planning for the month of July, and so with that being said, I have my Ray Dunn calendar book. This is for the year of 2023, and in this book that I had got from Marshall's, which was for $10, it's a 17-month planner that goes from August 2022 to December 2023. And so in this book, of course, it's just a lot of great things, such as like calendars and the like notes and holidays, and then of course for each month. So I did go ahead on Amazon and add a new one to my cart, as I know that I'll forget to get a new one. I did open it up to July of 2023, And I'm using my peach colored pen to go ahead and write in that these are the collabs that I have along with Wanda for the month of July that I need to make sure that I have prepared and ready. So each of these collabs will be held at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if anyone wants to join in. We have Barbecue Favorite Sides collab coming up on July 7th. July 10th, we have the Adult Beverage. July 20th, we have a regular grocery haul. And then on the 26th, we have Summertime Fun with the Kiddos. You guys are more than welcome to join in. If you would like to and haven't already, you can comment down below and I would be glad to add you to that. So I went ahead and checked that off of my list that I have video planned for the month of July. Any other videos coming out in July will just come out in July. I know that sometimes I like to get creative and just throw some videos out there, and so we shall see. Meanwhile, it's time to go ahead and get those clothes of hers into the dryer so that I can get ready to move on to the next thing. Another one of the things that I said I needed to do to get ready for the new month is to go ahead this week and clean up my bathroom to get the first week of July ready, just because I'm going to go ahead and put her in some Fabuloso. So I've already sprayed the sink with the Miss Meyer's. This is the basil flavor. Let me just say that any Miss Meyer product smells amazing. And it definitely sits in your bathroom, on your kitchen table, your counters, or wherever you choose to use it at. The scent stays for a while. Now that I got the sink taken care of, I did go ahead and put my cover back on my toilet. I'm going to go ahead and clean the toilet. I normally make Cam do this on Thursdays, but like I said, trying to get ready for the new month and trying to just clean up and get myself together, I did go ahead and do it myself. I do have some of the Airwick because I did coupon, so I have a lot of these. I also like to use the Bath and Body Works wall fresheners, but I decided to use up my couponing ones versus continue to use up my Bath and Body Works. So I am using the papaya and vanilla flavor. So I waited the 10 minutes for the stuff in the toilet to kind of sit, and so I came back to it, cleaned it up, and the next thing that I know I needed to do was to go ahead and spray down my tub area. The tub area is something that is very hard to do, so I did pick up this Clorox Tilex Daily Shower Spray. So what I did was just removed everything from the shower area and then sprayed this, and I did come in just like 10 to 15 minutes and basically scrub it down. I just couldn't get it on camera. So now that I've gotten the bathroom done, the last thing on my list to do right now is to go ahead and wash the dishes. The dishes is something that sometimes I tend to let pile up on the side if they're dry until I'm able to put them away, but this time I'm not letting that happen. For the month of July, I am going to start taking accountability and putting them away as I get ready to wash whatever sink of dishes I have next. I will be using Miss Meyer's Honeysuckle and the apple cider dishwashing liquid to wash the dishes. I tend to use the Miss Meyer's on literally everything, whether it's my kitchen table or wiping doors down, getting something off the floor, my sink, my toilet. And they also do make Miss Meyer's for your tub and tile, which I do have, and that's amazing as well. I think it only comes in one flavor for that, but like I said, no worries on that. Dishes are done, and I had quite a few other things that I needed to add to the list at the last, and putting my clothes away and holding myself accountable for that. I also needed to fold Sky's clothes and basically figure out some dinner. So I did put that down. And so now I'm going to go ahead and put the clothes that were already folded away. So I attempted to go ahead and get the living room vacuumed. Such a success. I love the fact that this is the only area in the house that I really have to vacuum. I went ahead and checked it off the list for vacuuming the living room and figuring out what's for dinner, just as I am going to just go ahead and reheat the rest of the chicken empanadas that we had left over and that were in the freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and get her clothes out and just put these to the side for when I'm ready. I also have some other laundry that needs to be done, which was added to my list at the last minute. So I do use Gain Flings on my clothes. I put about 2 in there if I'm running low on detergent. So I added 2, went ahead and put my clothes in. I am going to put some of the Gain detergent in as well. Like I said, this is all that I have left, and then my next load I will just fill water and use that. Y'all can never go wrong with improvising on something like that. So as I'm letting these wash and get cleaned, I eventually, just like I said, have some laundry to do and to go ahead and put away. So that is what I'm going to tackle next. I'm washing up the last load of clothes that I had for this week, and basically I told you guys that I was running low on detergent, and so it's just a gentle reminder that I need more detergent soon, or I just need to look down in the cabinet or refer back to my stockpile. So basically my reminder is here. I just used water with the rest of that, and then just put some of the little Gain Flings down in this just to give it just an extra boost while it's being washed. So as I'm getting all of my laundry done the following day, I did decide to wait until everything was washed and dried to get ready to fold, so I will be doing that later. I am just going to clean up. This is my board that goes on top of my stove, and I just continuously keep it over here on top of my deep freezer because we're always using the stove, and I'm afraid that one day I'm going to end up burning the bottom. Anything that I have that's broken goes in the trash. Bye, see you later. So I just wanted to clean everything off of that because normally we keep things that need to be put away on top of the board. And then I also want to go ahead and put away my wall plugins from Bath and Body Works. I need to tidy up my living room finally. So I'm gathering up all of the stuff that I use for YouTube, whether it's my calendars, my books, notes, and things like that. Wanted to put that stuff away. I am watching my watch later list, and it just so happens that I was watching my good sis Just Vlogging Life, Miss Carla, and her husband, as they have a great travel channel as well as like a everyday life vlog channel. So check them out. It is in my description box down below. Now that I've finally washed and dried everything, I am going to sit down and get ready to fold these clothes up and then, of course, put them away. So, when it comes to starting a new month, comment down below what it is you mainly focus on doing when you know that the new month is getting ready to start, when it comes to cleaning or having a weekly reset or anything like that. I want to take the time out to thank each and every one of you for supporting my channel over the time that I have been here on YouTube. I definitely appreciate all of the comments. I love all of the upliftment and all of the encouragement to keep going and to keep providing videos for you or for others that could benefit from my videos. So if you have liked this video this far and have enjoyed watching my monthly reset, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I definitely love showing the love back. I hope that you all have a great evening and happy July.